What would I do tomorrow if my digital marketing job disappeared overnight? Honestly, as scary as that sounds, it's actually something I've personally experienced, and it ended up being the best thing that ever happened to my career. So if you're a freelancer or a digital marketer navigating the uncertainty of AI, job security, or current potential economic shifts, let me share exactly what I would do right now to quickly rebuild and even exceed my current income. Because I've got good news for you. Digital marketing services will forever be in demand as long as companies have something to sell, which they always will. A few years ago, I was a VP of digital marketing at a growing consulting agency. I loved it, but I constantly thought, could I do more on my own? Eventually, I made the leap and I quickly learned something absolutely life-changing. The exact skills that I used every day at my job, content creation, social media marketing, consulting, brand development, email marketing, whatever, were all highly valuable to hundreds of businesses worldwide. Within my first year freelancing on my own, I more than tripled my full-time salary from 9 to 5 years while working fewer hours and feeling far more fulfilled. I tell you this not to brag, but to genuinely encourage you that there's a massive opportunity waiting if you ever need or choose to make that leap. And today I'm going to show you the exact steps that I'd take if I had to start over tomorrow so that you can feel empowered, not fearful about your online entrepreneurial future. The first step is understanding what skills businesses need right now and matching them to what you already know how to do. If you're not sure where to start, here's exactly what I recommend. Go to upwork.com and fiverr.com. These are two trusted freelance marketplaces where businesses actively hire freelancers every single day. These are where I personally land deals from brands across the world every single week. On Upwork, you can go to Find Work and click Find Work for your skills. You'll find a few labels, which are categories that are in high demand in the freelancing space. Labels like sales and marketing, writing and translation, admin and customer support, and a ton more. Then you can just scroll through the types of jobs under each of these categories and see which ones could be a good fit for your skill sets. Fiverr is pretty similar. Simply browse categories or look at top-rated freelancers to see exactly what they're offering and how they're packaging their services. Additionally, you can check out LinkedIn job postings under digital marketing or content creation, which gives you clear insights into exactly what businesses currently need most in the digital sphere. This exercise does not take long, maybe 30 minutes to an hour, but it will give you immediate clarity on your most marketable skills. Once you've identified your top skills, the next question is, how exactly are clients going to hire you? You have several solid options here, like direct freelancing services, which is where you offer your skills hourly or per project to businesses. For example, managing social media for a monthly retainer or writing email marketing campaigns on demand. Another venture that I have personally been doing for over 2 years is consulting or coaching, where you actually guide businesses strategically, providing advice or frameworks that they then implement themselves rather than you actually doing the work yourself. You could also offer something as simple as executive virtual assistants, where you help busy entrepreneurs like myself or brand owners manage tasks like content calendars, email campaigns, social media scheduling, appointment scheduling, etc. I have personally hired 4 executive assistants for my brand over the past 3 years alone. My personal favorite is combining direct freelance services with consulting and then building scalable digital products related to the services that I offer. This combo allowed me to earn consistently while leveraging my time effectively. Once you're clear on your skills and services, you're going to need a professional place online to showcase your offerings and make sales easy for your clients and your own business. For this, I highly recommend utilizing the new hot portfolio builder on the market, Evolushen. Evolushen is perfect for freelancers, content creators, and virtual assistants because you can clearly showcase and sell your services, your time, digital products, and even physical products all in one place. You can even offer subscription models to build out more predictable monthly revenue. And they also give you access to their internal email marketing platform included in your monthly fee, so you can effectively generate leads and nurture them for your business until they're ready to hire you. Here's exactly what setting up your own Evolushen looks like. Step 1 is to create an account, which is a quick 1 to 2 minute process. Step 2 is to choose a professionally designed template that matches your brand style and your goals as a business. Step 3 is to build out your portfolio site by easily adding your products or services with their many built-in sections questions, no technical skills required. Here's exactly what mine looks like. You can see I am pre-qualifying my ideal clients with the right copy. I am generating leads with freebie lead magnets. I am selling digital and physical products all on one site, and I have multiple ways to book with me for consulting. I built my entire website in one weekend using Store, and right now they have a pretty ridiculous offer for freelancers, creators, and virtual assistants where you can actually get your first month for literally just $1. This means you can try building your own freelance website risk-free for only $1, which is perfect if you're just starting out or you need a fresh professional presence online. Once you build out your portfolio website and you're satisfied with it, it's time to start actually getting clients. Here's step 4. This is exactly how I would immediately start attracting them if I were starting over from scratch. Number 1 would be through intentionally tailored social media content. I would spend time creating simple, helpful posts on LinkedIn, Instagram, or YouTube related to my freelancing skills. Not selling directly through this content, just sharing genuine tips and insights that showcase your expertise and attract your ideal clients to you, which I hope you guys realize is exactly what I'm doing in this video. If you guys are enjoying it, boop that like button. But before I ever started making that content, I would also immediately start by setting up an email account so I could start building an email list of my ideal clients. Like I mentioned earlier, if you choose to build your portfolio in Store, you'll also get access to Everbee email for free to start collecting email addresses and delivering lead magnets to them easily through their platform. Simply offer a small, valuable freebie like a PDF guide, a checklist, or a short video tutorial to attract people who might need your services. You're going to want to make this something that gives them a quick win under 10 minutes. For instance, if you're offering email marketing services, create a simple checklist like 5 easy ways to increase your email open rates. And when someone enters their email to get your freebie, they join your list, and now you have a growing audience of warm leads who actually want your services to nurture over time. This combination of social content and email marketing allows you to gently attract and nurture leads without ever feeling salesy. Then, like I mentioned earlier, I would actually make profiles on all of the top performing freelance marketplaces like Fiverr, Upwork, Contra, etc. to start connecting with brands who are already looking to fill a void in their business with my services. So now you know the exact 4-step system that I would personally implement if I lost everything and had to start over tomorrow online. This isn't about reinventing yourself from scratch. It's about repurposing everything you already know and turning it into a business that supports the life you want. One that gives you more time, more freedom, and more control over your income, even if the job market feels shaky or unpredictable right now. So if you've been waiting for a sign to finally go all in on your own freelance journey, I hope this was it. Don't forget, you guys can sign up for Everbee Store for literally just $1 and get access to their built-in email marketing tools too. I'll put that in the description. This is going to help you start on the most elevated foot possible. And if you're also ready for more practical side hustle ideas that don't even require you to show your face or talk on camera, I've also linked a video right here that walks you through some of the most in-demand freelance services that you can offer for $100 an hour or more. Watch that next, and let's keep building the business you were always meant to have. I'll see you guys over there.